Welcome to Money Makes and Money Breaks. Please watch part 1 if you have not done so already. Now let's jump right in and continue discussing the Great Depression. 2. Bank failures. During the 1920s, many banks engaged in speculative investments, particularly in the stock market. When the stock market crashed, many banks failed as a result of their losses, leading to a widespread banking crisis. Other factors were 3. Overproduction and underconsumption. The rapid and mass production led to an oversupply of goods and a decrease in consumer demand. 4. International trade imbalances. Some countries running trade surpluses while others ran deficits. And 5. Government policies. Imposed tariffs to protect American industry also hurt other countries. Then came the oil crisis, which occurred from 1973 to 1975. It was caused by a combination of factors, including the Arab-Israeli War, which led to an oil embargo by the Arab oil-producing countries. The oil shortage led to skyrocketing oil prices and inflation, which led to a decline in consumer spending and economic growth. After that came the dot-com bubble, 2000 to 2002. The dot-com bubble of the late 1990s and early 2000s was characterized by a speculative frenzy in the stock market, particularly in internet-related companies. The bubble burst in 2000, as many of these companies failed to meet investors' expectations, and the stock market declined sharply. This led to a decline in consumer confidence, a reduction in investment, and a decrease in economic growth. Lastly, the financial crisis of 2007 to 2009 was caused by a combination of factors, including the subprime mortgage crisis, which led to a sharp decline in the housing market, and the failure of several major banks and financial institutions. The crisis had global implications and resulted in a severe recession, with high levels of unemployment and a sharp decline in GDP. I hope you enjoyed this short 2-part series on past recessions. Thank you, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.